This video will provide a closer look at the instrumentation for the Klimt expandable lumbar interbody fusion system. Each Klimt set will come with a variety of different implant sizes. These sizes will vary in footprint, angle, and height range. The Klimt instrumentation comes in a two-level case. On the top level of the instrument tray, you will find paddle distractors ranging in heights from 7 to 15 millimeters and disc scrapers ranging in heights from 6 to 15 millimeters for preparation of the disc space. Additionally, there is a height adjustable trowel that can be used for sizing the final implant. The second level of the Klimt instrument set will contain all instruments necessary for implant insertion and expansion, as well as for bone graft delivery. Attach the paddle distractors to one of the provided T-handles to sequentially distract the disc space. Then, use the disc scrapers in one of the provided T-handles to remove the superficial layers of the end plates and expose bleeding bone. Next, insert the height adjustable trowel into the disc space and rotate the handle clockwise to determine the appropriate implant size and expansion range. To prepare for implant insertion, first assemble the cage inserter with the holding shaft. Align the laser marked up on the holding shaft with the laser marked up on the cage inserter. Slide the holding shaft through the cage inserter until seated. Rotate the knob on the back of the cage inserter clockwise until the laser marked line aligns with the OP position. With the cage inserter in the OP position, align the black line on the implant with the black line on the cage inserter. Rotate the knob clockwise until the CL position is visible. Before inserting the implant into the disc space, prepare the expansion driver by attaching one of the provided 2 Nm torque limiting handles to the end of the expansion driver. Note that the standard expansion driver features a driver indicator that allows for a visual representation of implant expansion. This indicator may be removed by unthreading and disengaging fully from the shaft. A second option for implant expansion is utilizing the spring-loaded expansion driver. This expansion driver can be differentiated from the standard driver through the blue knob on the back of the driver indicator. This driver indicator may not be removed. Use the plastic end of the lumbar mallet to lightly impact the implant into the disc space. Then, insert the expansion driver through the cage inserter until engagement with the implant is felt. To expand the implant, rotate the 2 Nm torque limiting handle clockwise. Always use a 2 Nm torque limiting handle for implant expansion. This limits the expansion force to prevent damage of the vertebral end plates. Once desired expansion has been reached, press the release button located on the cage inserter to remove the expansion driver. With either expansion driver, it's important to verify that the expansion indicator is at 0 millimeters before inserting into the cage inserter. When using the standard expansion driver, hold by the indicator piece and slide forward to aid with mating with the cage inserter. The Klimt system features 3 funnel options for delivering bone graft through the implant. Each funnel will securely thread onto the back of the cage inserter. The inserter funnel is used here for reference. Once the funnel is filled with grafting material, use the inserter funnel plunger to push the graft through the cage inserter and into the implant. Before the funnel is attached to the cage inserter, it's recommended that the desired biologic is tested with the funnel to ensure that it can flow through the funnel and into the implant. A larger funnel and funnel plunger is also provided for pre- and post-packing of the disc space.